PostGrid Print and Mail application is a direct mail automation software that enables users to send and automate physical mailings like letters, postcards, and checks. Users can access this service using the native HubSpot application or through REST API. Once the application is installed, users can send postcards, checks, and letters from the contacts page and workflow actions in HubSpot. All information sent from HubSpot will be logged in on the PostGrid dashboard in the respective areas. The installation process is simple and user-friendly. To install the PostGrid Print and Mail application, go to the HubSpot marketplace and search for PostGrid. Click on Install App and select the HubSpot account you want to use. Complete the authentication process to connect the app. Now go to the settings page on your PostGrid dashboard and copy the test API key. Paste the test API key on this screen and click on Save. Following these steps, all the users will be able to install the PostGrid Print and Mail application. Users can send mailings using two ways. First one is by using the Contact pop-up CRM card. Click on Contacts and select a contact to send mailing. We'll start with sending a postcard. Click on the Send Postcard button. Choose a recipient from the drop-down menu or manually input the details in the address field. Repeat the same procedure for the sender address. Select the mailing class, size for the postcard, and check the express delivery box if necessary. You can select a front and back template from the existing templates, or you can also upload your own templates in PDF format. Click on Send Postcard. If the request is successful, you should see an order in the Postcard tab on the PostGrid dashboard. Next, we'll send a check. Select a contact to send the mailing. Next, click on the Send Check button. Choose a recipient from the drop-down menu or manually input the details in the address fields. Repeat the same procedure for the sender address. Select a bank account and enter the amount. Additionally, you can also add details for memo and check. You can upload your own check in PDF format, or you can go ahead with the blank check shown on the screen. You can also select a logo that will appear automatically on the blank check. Additionally, if you opt for the pre-existing blank check, you can also attach a letter to it. Select the necessary option for extra service and mailing class. Click on Create. If the request is successful, there should be an order in the PostGrid dashboard in the Check tab. Next, we'll send a letter. Select a contact to send the mailing. Click on the Send Letter button. Choose a template from the drop-down menu or upload your own letter in PDF format. Choose a recipient from the drop-down menu or manually input the details in the address fields. Repeat the same procedure for the sender address. Select a return envelope option, the extra service required, envelope type and mailing class. In the document options, select all the necessary checkbox based on the requirements. Click on Send Letter. If the request is successful, you should see an order in the Letter tab on the PostGrid dashboard. Workflow. Click on Create Workflow. You can either create the entire workflow from scratch, or you can also use an existing template. Click on Blank Workflow, Contact Base. and click on Next. Now, select Send Postcard, add all the required details, template, map the recipient address or all the required fields with the correct token, select the front and back template, and click on Save. Lastly, to uninstall the app, go to the HubSpot admin area and click on the Settings Care icon. Then select the Integrations tab from the left sidebar and click on Connected Apps. From there, you can find the app and click on Actions and then click on Uninstall to complete the uninstallation process.